Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn listing the Docker containers. So in the previous we have checked about the images, Docker images. Now we are listing the Docker containers. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. To list the running Docker containers on your system, you can use the following command, that is docker ps. So here we will go to run this docker ps command, sudo this one. So here you will get the container id. The container id is important. Why? Because with the help of this container id we have to stop this container. Okay, stop this docker one. So with the help of the, you can stop the containers with the help of this container id. Okay, so this command shows the list of the containers that are currently running. The output includes the information, that is container id, image name, command being run up, creation time and the status. Okay, so here you can see that status of this one up to 11 minutes, right? And here you can see that the trust in with this. Okay, so the if you want to see all the containers including those are stopped also, so you have to add option, that is -e. So let's add this one. This command will display the list of all the containers both running and the stop. So let's add this, and here we go with this one. Okay, sorry, I need to add sudo command. Okay, so here you can see this one up to 11 minutes, and this is occupying the port 3000, and this is hello world, exited 21 minutes ago. So status is exit, right? So it's not running up. Okay, so it's this one is running up, right? So this is how you can check the listing docker containers. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Next video we are going to try with the run stop the container with the help of the container id. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.